Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak cut fries. First, choose large russet potatoes as their high starch content is perfect for a fluffy interior. Wash them thoroughly, then carefully cut each potato into uniform sticks, about 1/2 inch thick and 3 inches long. Consistency and size is key for even cooking, so take your time with this step. This initial preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked fries. After cutting, it is crucial to soak your potato sticks in a bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes, or even up to a few hours. This step draws out excess starch, which helps achieve that desirable crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Once soaked, drain the water and spread the fries on a clean kitchen towel. Pat them absolutely dry. Any remaining moisture will cause the oil to splatter and prevent proper crisping. Now, for the first fry, heat about 3 inches of a neutral oil, such as canola or peanut oil, in a heavy-bottomed pot to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add your dried potato sticks in small batches, ensuring you do not overcrowd the pot. Fry them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. During this stage, the fries will cook through and become tender, but they should not yet develop any significant color. For the grand finale, increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the blanched fries to the hot oil, again in small batches, and fry them for another 2 to 4 minutes. Watch them closely as they transform into a beautiful golden brown color and develop that irresistible crispiness. As soon as they come out of the oil, immediately transfer them to a wire rack and generously season with fine sea salt and any other desired spices. Enjoy your perfect steak fries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.